Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be doing this like crisscross rubber band hairstyle. So let's get started. Starting off with parting your hair down the middle, and then part number 2 is going to be right behind your ear on both sides, and then tie the rest of the hair in the back. And then with part number 2, we're going to part a third parting right where your ear begins, and then the extra hair you're going to just put aside. Take whatever rubber bands that you like. These are the ones that I like to use, and then start to part little sections with that, and then tie them off. And you're just going to do that from the left side all the way to the right. I always get asked, why do I style my hair wet? That is just how I find a cleaner style sometimes, and that I can make it last longer. I know a lot of people say that their hair breaks when they're doing styles. I do not do these rubber band hairstyles on my wet hair every single day, so I think that's the difference. I've never had a problem with my hair breaking with rubber bands. And if that is the case for you, then just don't do it, but this is just how I prefer to do it. So I just wanted to answer that question really quickly. And now that I have this side done, we're going to move on to the next side. And I just split that up for you guys and got it out the way. And then we're taking that other section that I had parted, and we're going to start connecting the front sections to the back. So just parting in a straight line with the other ones, just aligning them, and then taking opposite front pieces and connecting them to the back. So don't do the one that's directly next to it, do the one that's above it, and they're going to crisscross. See, like how I did here. The second one went with the first section in the back, and the first section went with the second one in the back, if that makes sense. And then you're just going to continue that all the way around your head. And then I'm taking my LUSBRANDS products. I'm going in with their sea moss gel and putting that on the front of my hair so that it can help keep it down and keep it in if I want to keep it in for the rest of the week. And then going in with their all-in-one curly hair styler and applying that to my curls. And here is the final look. It is so cute, and I feel like this can be used and changed around in so many different ways. So easy. Literally took me 15 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that it helped you. See you next time.